Hey guys, it's Jenny. It's another one of my super fast updates just because I'm sitting down after I get the kids to sleep and I'm updating myself on what happened today in the news since I was last at my desk. And we have a statement from the California Department of Labor Secretary. Sue, and she has made a statement today on September 7th. And I'm going to go ahead and just cut down here to the part that applies. In the face of a global pandemic that has also caused a global recession across the world and here in California, the administration remains focused on providing additional support to the unemployed. This Labor Day weekend, unemployed Californians eligible for the Lost Wages Assistance Program have started to receive the $300 more per week in benefits. California applied early for this federal program, was initially approved for 3 weeks of payments, and now has been approved for 2 additional weeks. Eligible Californians will now get $1,500 on top of their regular unemployment and pandemic unemployment benefits. So you guys, the 3 weeks that I was stating before, that was definitely count on 3 weeks, possibly up to 5. Now it is definitely count on 5. Okay, hope that's a helpful update. I'm going to go ahead and link this down below. And you guys, if you are unsure about the payout dates and if you are unsure when you will be receiving this, please view my additional videos that are linked down below for you.